If GoDaddy is not working today and you're seeing errors, login problems, or your website isn't loading, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to fix GoDaddy issues today and figure out whether the problem is on your side or theirs. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly what to check and how to solve it fast. And if this helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. All right, let's get started. The first thing you should always do is check GoDaddy's system status. Open your browser and go to godaddy.com. Once the page loads, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the home page. Look for the link that says System Status and click on it. This page shows you if GoDaddy is currently experiencing any technical issues. You'll usually see color indicators. Green means everything is working normally. Yellow means there are partial issues affecting some services. Red means there's a major outage happening right now. If you see yellow or red, that means the issue is on GoDaddy's side, and you'll need to wait for them to resolve it. There's nothing wrong with your account in that case. If the system status looks normal, but you're still having issues, the next step is to check Downdetector. Open a new tab and go to downdetector.com. In the search bar, type GoDaddy and select it from the results. Here, you'll see a live graph showing user reports. If you notice a large spike in reports, that usually means there's a widespread issue happening. Scroll down and read the comment section as well. If many users are reporting login failures, website downtime, or DNS problems, then it's likely a global issue. Again, that means you may just need to wait. Now, if both GoDaddy's system status and Downdetector show no major problems, the issue might be specific to your account or browser. The next step is to try logging directly into your account. Go to account.godaddy.com and attempt to sign in. Pay attention to what happens. If the page loads very slowly, times out, or gives you an error message, that can indicate a temporary service issue. If you can log in successfully, then the platform itself is likely working fine. If logging in fails or the site behaves strangely, try using a different browser. Open GoDaddy in Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari, depending on what you normally use. Sometimes browser-specific extensions or settings can interfere with websites. If GoDaddy works perfectly in a different browser, then you know your main browser is the problem, not GoDaddy. Next, try using Incognito or private browsing mode. In Chrome, press Ctrl and Shift and N at the same time. On Safari, press Command, Shift, and N. This opens a private window that disables most extensions and ignores cached data. Now try logging into GoDaddy again. If it works in Incognito mode, that means your extensions or cached files were likely blocking or conflicting with the site. If that fixes it, the next step is to clear your browser cache. Go into your browser settings, find the Privacy section, and click on Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you select cached files. You don't necessarily need to delete passwords unless you want to. After clearing the cache, restart your browser and try accessing GoDaddy again. In many cases, this completely resolves loading errors and login issues. By following these steps, you can quickly determine whether GoDaddy is down globally or if the issue is something local on your device. Start with system status, then check Downdetector. Test login, switch browsers, use Incognito mode, and finally, clear your cache. One of these steps will almost always reveal the problem. If this video helped you fix your GoDaddy issues today, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tech troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.